look as good as the day I met you. I forget just why I left you. I was insane. Stay.
Good morning, everyone. As I told you that I was planning to come in Calanque. So right now I am in Calanque. I also have some search how to say it in English. So in English it's a creeks. So it's one of the beautiful sites right now I am watching here. It's so beautiful. I mean, it's here the mountain, which is the sea is coming inside the mountain. And in the previous video I was not able to explain what exactly is that. So now I can show you. It's so beautiful actually. As I told you, the water is like crystal clear. I mean, I just have few minutes here and I just love this place, really. Reach in this place by hiking it. So it's around 1 hour I hiked, and then I have to get down again to reach the sea, and then I reach one of the most beautiful places in Marseille. So the Calanque is actually finished there. So I came from there, and then I came here. So now I go from here to on that place.
I know it breaks your heart. Moved to the city and I broke down crying. 4 years no calls. Now you're looking pretty in a hotel bar.
This is called the plage, or in French it's a plage, or in English it's the beach. So it's a small beach, one of the clearest beach I have seen. People are also having fun there. They're enjoying with their family, with their kids, with their friends. They're having lunch together. It's the first day of the new year, so they're having fun. You can have fun here. They're also swimming on the place. Try to zoom. See the water? It's like crystal clear. You can see through the water, as I told you yesterday. The mountains.
On your shoulder, pull the sheets right off the corner of the mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't ever getting older. Angels sent from up above. You know you make my world light up. When I was down, when I was hurt, you came to lift me up.
Exactly, it's a Mediterranean Sea, and as we know that, you see the water. See, it's like there is no water. It's like a green air in between the ground and the water level. Wow, you see, you can see literally everything. So crystal clear, you can see everything. that small island, one of the smallest island that I'm going to access right now.
To make the stars come out. Drink from me, drink from me. Pour on a symphony. When I'm low, 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 I'm feeling drunk and high, so high, so high. I'm feeling drunk and high, so high, so high.
Now I'm going to touch the water. It must be cold, but one of the clearest water. Wow. Wow, see the water. Woo! Okay, so I'm in the island. Oh. So just the last view. So I think that will be my last video. I think it's a good ending point of the whole videos. I'm going to join all the videos, and I think this beautiful site must be the ending point. Yeah, today I'm going to stay one day more, but I don't think I will see much more beautiful site than this in Marseille. So I hope that you enjoy all the videos, and please understand that maybe the video is not so professional. It's my first video I was making. I just came here and I saw it's a very beautiful city and it's a very beautiful place. They have many natural beauties, so I can't resist myself to share with you. So it's just only for that purpose, just to share with you, and that's all. I hope that you really like that videos, and I hope to see you in France. It's a very nice country. It's a very beautiful place. Bye bye. Bye.